Alright, so here a short update about the sauna. I am now 8 layers high and it's going alright. Chainsaw broke down yesterday, but I got a spare one and it will be running soon. Layering is going good. I spent a lot of time removing all the logs, sorting out, making an inventory and taking the trash away. 2 big trailers full of rotten wood, and I'm happy that I made the sauna only 3x3 because I am struggling to make this come off the ground because of the lack of decent logs. So what I did is I made a system. So I combined 2 good logs together, which have the same dimensions. They slide into each other. I drill a hole and I hit a pack in there, and then it basically acts like it is one log. The only thing that you need to be doing is when you did a layer of a combined log, then you have to do the next one as a whole log. Some of these layers are 24 centimeters height, which is very encouraging when you are building. I use linen as insulation, just as with the cabin. So this is the floor. I did it a bit different than with the cabin. So I made a log here that rests on the foundation also, and on the other side. And I cut there the carriers of the floor in. And the advantage of that is that I don't have to cut in these old logs, which are, well, maybe not as strong as they seem sometimes. So I figured this is the way to go. I will have an aspen floor on these carriers, then it will be good. You can see the logs, they have their own character, and I tried as much to keep the outside of the cabin in this nice gray color. So that means that the inside is a bit different, but doesn't really matter to me. It will be a dark place anyway. I like my sauna dark. The amount of layers I calculated, if you want a true Finnish sauna, I will have to have 12 layers in total. So that means another 4 layers at least, and then I will measure how high I am. So yeah, still a lot of work to do, but I hope I can begin on the roof soon.